What's the most affordable real hybrid SUV in South Africa right now? Forget Toyota and Haval, Chery just dropped a bombshell. This is the 2025 Chery Tiggo Cross HEV, and with a starting price of our $439,900, it's officially the cheapest traditional hybrid in the country. The Tiggo Cross HEV is the newest member of Chery's rapidly growing lineup in Mzansi. First launched as a petrol-only model in late 2024, the Tiggo Cross now doubles its lineup with two hybrid variants, the Comfort and the Elite. Under the hood is a 1.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine making 71 kilowatts and 118 newton-meters, paired with an electric motor and 1.83 kilowatt-hour battery for a total system output of 150 kilowatts and 310 newton-meters. That's more power than the Corolla Cross Hybrid and better torque than most compact SUVs in its class. Chery claims it'll sip just 5.4 L/100 km and deliver up to 1,000 kilometers on a full tank, very impressive for a vehicle in this price range. You also get 4 hybrid modes: Pure Electric, Series Hybrid, Parallel Hybrid, Regenerative Energy Recovery. All managed seamlessly to keep fuel costs low and efficiency high. The Comfort trim starts at our $439,900 and already undercuts Toyota's Corolla Cross HEV XS by our $54,500. The Elite trim costs are $469,900, still cheaper than the Haval Jolion HEV, and includes extra features like 6-way power seat, leather-wrapped steering, 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, and much more. Dual 10.25-inch displays, black leather seats, ambient lighting, wireless charging, reverse view camera, 2-zone climate control. The Elite also adds red brake calipers, electric sunroof, and 6 speakers instead of 4. Standard safety includes 6 airbags, Elite gets 7. Traction and hill descent control, blind spot detection, lane keep assist, traffic congestion assist, and even automatic emergency braking. Honestly, Chery is loading this SUV with premium features at a budget price. The 2025 Chery Tiggo Cross HEV isn't just affordable, it's a game changer. Hybrid tech, loaded features, great fuel economy, and priced for the people. Would you take this over a Corolla Cross HEV or Jolion HEV? Let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe to DR's Automobile for more honest car breakdowns.